2 boxes of 2016 football prism. 2 boxes of 2016 football prism.
Who's Cal with his lucky
chicken bone.
Cal with his lucky
chicken bone.
He hit it right yesterday. Here, we move the box.
Yeah, Joe Namath.
Alright, now that we have less boxes, we can move these.
I don't know what these are, so I'll just start with these.
These are the KO
I don't know what
packs.
these are, so I'll just start with these.
There's also some pretty good hits out of them already.
KO packs.
Also pretty good hits out of them already.
So difficult to open.
I
feel like I haven't opened a pack in months.
It's been a while. It's been a while.
Vikings pack. Is that guy even play anymore? I think he got cut.
I think he's on the practice squad.
I think he got cut. Didn't y'all pull that one of one?
Yeah.
Out of Oranges? Didn't y'all pull that one of one?
Yeah.
Out of Oranges?
Yeah.
Big one.
Dummy card.
And Vernon Hargraves the third.
Dummy card.
And Vernon Hargraves the third. I didn't even know he was on the fucking UFC. I didn't even know he was on the fucking UFC. Oh, the punter. Abradaris. Oh, the punter. And Marquette King. Abradaris. I got the punter card. Marquette King. I got the punter card. Uh-oh. Dad.
Nice.
Uh-oh. Dad.
Nice.
I don't know what that is though. I guess the hat. Bill.
Bill.
I guess he's holding it. No, it's not numbered.
Still a DAC.
He's holding it. No, yes, his hat.
Still a DAC.
Yes, his hat. And Brandon Marshall.
I can't believe how good Dak is doing. Dak and Elliott. Even just toss it on the ground. I don't have a box yet. Dak and Elliott.
I haven't even seen what these like base cards look like, so. I haven't even seen what these like base cards look like, so.
Doesn't matter.
I go slow. My bad.
Doesn't matter.
I just want some color. I'm gonna have to realize what's numbered and what's not numbered. I'm gonna have to realize what's numbered or orange. Those are hard to see. Orange.
Yeah. You don't have to show the number. You can just say what it's out of. You don't have to show the number. You can just say what it's out of.
Connor Cook and Carl Joseph.
Raiders back.
Connor Cook and Carl Joseph. I'm gonna separate out the rookies real quick. Cooper. Yeldon, Funches, Buck Allen. Yeldon, Funches, Buck Allen. I don't know if these are numbered or not. Yep, 149. I don't know if these are numbered or not. Yep, 149.
No, this is just some personal boxes. No, this is just some personal boxes.
Next jersey.
Do you have your Lawson jersey?
Huh?
You have your Shaq Lawson jersey?
I don't. I need to get that.
You have your Shaq Lawson jersey?
I don't.
Heath bought some personal, so he's in here breaking them. Heath bought some personal, so he's in here breaking them.
Second Christian Hackenberg auto of the case.
Not numbered.
Christian Hackenberg, rookie auto.
Blue Darren Lee, out of 199. Blue Darren Lee, out of 199. And then rookie.
William Jackson, and then we have a Carson Wentz base rookie. That's 3, Tim. You're making it back.
Nope. Travis Kelce.
Then we're going to
blue,
go blue,
199.
Kenneth Dixon,
Miss
rookie.
Travis Kelce. Blue,
Prizm,
199.
Ravens, 199.
Blues are the one blue.
Geese.
Rico Gathers, Nick Vanette, rookie.
Yeah, I already got that all messed up. Well, whatever. Yeah, I already got that all messed up. Well, whatever.
Rookie introductions, Paxton Lynch, Lamar Miller, Prizm, 149. Texans.
Not wanting to
Kevin Dodd, Daniel Lasco, rookie.
be open. Not wanting to be open. Normally. The one of ones in here. I'm kidding. The one of ones in here.
You want it to be.
I'm kidding.
Jason
Jason
You want it
Witten.
to be.
Jonathan Williams, Bills, orange,
Jason Witten. Blue.
$2.99 rookie.
It's cool.
Brandon Dowdy, Jakeem
Out of
Grant,
25.
rookies.
Cam was at 25. Nice.
Out of 25.
Cam was at 25. Nice.
And Steve Smith.
Julio Jones, Shining Stars
Orange out of
insert.
299.
Brandon Marshall,
Steve
orange.
Smith.
Prism for the
Orange
Jets,
out of 299.
$2.99. Artie Burns, Keanu Neal, rookies.
I can't wait for the contenders.
Yeah, that's by the end of the year.
Jacob
Saved all
Tammy,
money for the
Falcons,
contenders.
Blue Prism, $1.99.
Saved
Seen
up
the
all
order
money
form?
for the contenders. No, I haven't.
Here, have you seen the order form?
No, I haven't.
Dwayne Washington, Laquan Treadwell,
Rodgers.
rookie base.
Kenyon Drake orange.
If only he would play.
Kenyon Drake orange. It's a bammer.
If only he would play.
What is that? Illumination.
Bammer. Yeah. Smallwood
Drew
and
Brees,
Booker.
Illumination insert for the
Rookies.
Saints.
Smallwood and
Nick
Booker.
Vanette,
Alrighty.
Red Crystal to
Autographs
75,
in there
rookie
somewhere.
for the
There's
Seahawks.
3 of them, so.
Autographs in there somewhere. Frontiers one
There's
up
3
here.
of them, so.
Come on, Zeke. Frontiers one up here. Larry Fitzgerald,
Zeke or
Bays.
Prescott?
Eli Apple,
Yeah, either
Braxton
one.
Miller,
Larry
rookies.
Fitzgerald, Bays.
Zeke or Prescott?
Yeah, either one would be fine. Larry Donnell and Kenyon Drake.
Out of 50.
Larry Donnell and Kenyon Drake. Yes, the camo. I think it's 25. Yes, the camo. I think it's 25. Yeah, 12 or 25.
Red Ice, Willie Snead, Saints,
Yeah,
75.
Is this 3
Terrell
ounces?
Adams, Wendell Smallwood,
Yep.
rookie base.
Please.
Is this 3 ounces?
Yep. Please.
Draft Gems, Tom Brady insert.
Don't want any more Alabama autographs. Don't want any more.
Especially after that
Brian
last game.
Hartline, Blue
Yeah,
Prism, $1.99.
Especially after that last
You
game.
got all the
Devontae
game,
Booker,
right?
DeAndre
Well, I sold my
Washington,
tickets
rookie
just for that
base.
game because they were
You got all
asking
the game, right?
ridiculous
Well, I
prices.
sold my tickets just for that
Like,
game because they were asking.
I sold 2 of my
ridiculous
tickets for
prices.
$400 each.
Like,
Yeah,
sold
so I was like,
2
oh,
of
I'd
my
Purple
rather just sit at
Bubble,
home
Alan
and
Hurns,
happily watch us lose
99.
on TV
I
and
was
get
like,
money
I'll
for
sit
it.
at home and happily watch
Thanks
us
for lots
lose
of
on
sports
TV.
Cody
cards.
Hargrave, Cody
Well,
Kessler,
I mean,
rookie base.
That paid for like
Lots of
3/4 of my
sports
season
cards.
tickets off one
Well, I mean,
game.
that paid for like 3/4 of my season tickets off one game.
They were just like crazy to get in there. I was like, all right, for the right price,
They were
I'll
just,
not
like,
go.
crazy to get in
Watch it
there.
on TV.
For the right price, I'll not go.
And
Jordan
the Vols been cutting close all
Jenkins.
year.
If the Vols would have won, then you would
Green
have said,
And the Vols
checkerboard
were
for
cutting
Yeah.
the
close
Jets.
all year.
the Vols
Oh,
would
either,
have won.
then again, we would have won and I still would have
49.
got money.
Yeah.
That's a nice
Then
Laquan
again, we would have
Treadwell.
won and us.
Could have been
I
one
don't
of
know
these.
what you'd call that.
That's a nice Laquan Treadwell.
Purple.
I mean, I know the color, but it's just
Purple.
I mean,
The
I know
pattern.
the
Oh,
color,
it's
but
just-
Michael
Yeah, I don't know the
Crabtree,
pattern.
orange.
Let's take a look.
pattern. I guess
Oh,
was
you gotta know
Raider.
the pattern on.
Corey
Brissett
Coleman,
and
lower
Spencer
scoring guard,
Saus.
rookie.
Yeah, everything here.
Brissett and
All right.
Saus.
2 of these 3 have to have an autograph in it,
All right.
or should.
2 of these 3 have to have an
Shouldn't
autograph.
say have to.
Is it psychedelic razzle?
Darian Thompson,
Yeah,
Giants,
Pretty psychedelic to me.
rookie auto.
Supposed to be 3 a box.
Pretty psychedelic to me.
Supposed to be 3 a box.
It's a shame I got a Bama in the first pack. First time.
It's a shame I got a ban on this.
Trevor Davis, Farrell
Not
Cooper,
Henry, I
rookie.
No.
Well, Henry, I'd be fine with Henry, just because he's a Titan now.
No.
Well, Henry, I'd be fine with Henry, just because he's a Titan.
Points.
Wah, wah.
It'll add to my
Next
collection
box.
that I have at my house.
It'll add to my
Really?
collection.
Jared Goff.
Maybe the points are bonus. Probably not.
150
And
points.
Jared Goff.
Maybe the
Whoop,
points are
whoop.
bonus. Probably not.
Don't even know why.
Jared Goff,
It should
Charles
be
Clay
even know why.
orange, the $2.99
Alright,
bill.
there's the last autograph.
Should be
I'm just gonna go
Jared
with
Goff,
this one.
green checkerboard prism auto.
Autograph. I'm just gonna go with
Tajay Sharp,
Points.
Jared Goff, rookie.
Not in this pack. Just points.
Jared Goff, rookie auto to
Base,
99 or
base,
49.
base.
49.
Josh
Sorry.
Doxson, rookie, not numbered. Josh Doxson, rookie, not numbered. There's another Mike Thomas.
Here's another decent auto.
I thought the one was for the
There you go,
Saints.
Cord. There's something.
I don't want
Connor
to-
Cook,
I thought the one was for the Saints.
rookie auto for the
That's what
Raiders.
you want.
And then Zeke.
That's what you want.
Connor Cook,
The points,
Raiders.
the dreaded points.
I'm sorry.
Eddie Lacy,
dreaded points.
base.
I'm
Peyton.
sorry.
Eddie Lacy, base.
I would hope that they wouldn't make Wentz autos
Not familiar
150
with him.
points.
Jaron Curse.
CJ Brosize, Jacoby
Yeah,
Brissett.
that is.
I'm guessing there would
I know
be
he
a
played for
lot of
Clemson,
people that
but
would show up
that
at their
I don't think
Factory.
he was even on like the team.
draft
Green.
gems. Tom Brady,
I guess
Patriots.
he's a defensive player, so it's not like you're gonna hear.
Out of 49.
I guess he's a defensive player, so it's not like
Keith
you're gonna
Marshall,
hear.
orange
Out of
rookie.
49.
The 299 Redskins.
All right.
Jordan Howard,
That was
Darius
number
Jackson,
one.
base, rookies.
All right. That was number 1.
I guess he is playing. It's not.
Base.
I know he
guess
was
he
like
is
a
playing.
pretty good draft
It's
pick. He just. I know he was like a. He was good at Clemson, but you know how defensive rookies are.
Travis
He was good at Clemson,
Kelce.
so like Bosa, who's actually doing good.
Chiefs,
Surprisingly.
149.
Yeah, well, the game versus the Broncos.
Tyreek Hill,
really
Kevin Hogan, rookie.
Well, the
Showed
game
them.
versus the
I
Broncos.
mean, he needed to go off
really
like that though, especially after
showed
doing what he
them.
did. I mean, he needed to go
Yeah,
off
it was
like
like
that
I
though,
don't know, it was
especially
just
after doing what he
a
did.
big old mess. Yeah, it was like I don't know, it was just a big old mess.
Darian Thompson. Red
Go
Eye.
here and get 10 free
Rookie auto for the Giants.
Prism.
Yeah. I don't know what it
The
is.
G-Man.
Prism.
Go make an account. I don't know what put that in. Go make an account.
Base.
Put that in.
Not use this camera angle. Base. Jordan Jenkins. Camera angle. Anyone know who that is? Jordan Jenkins.
Illumination insert. Tom Brady. Cody Kessler, blue
Oh, he's not even a
prism.
rookie.
Browns.
Oh, he's not even a rookie.
Linebackers. Defensive
He
player.
played for Georgia.
Linebacker.
What's up with all these
Defensive
SEC
player.
players that aren't
Georgia.
Tennessee? What's up with all these SEC players that aren't Tennessee? Doug Martin Blue.
David Morgan,
Double
Robert
199.
Kudice, rookies.
Double 199.
Round 3, pick 20. He's on the Jets, so it's not a good sign.
Anyone for the Jets is not good.
Good sign.
For the Steelers, another one of the camos. 5 of 25.
Mike Evans,
Le'Veon Bell.
Graham, Mike Evans, Mackenzie Alexander. Is that another Clemson Vikings defensive back? Mackenzie Alexander. Is that another Clemson Vikings defensive back?
And Julius Thomas.
Yes, it is.
The old green checkerboard prism. The 49.
Glad I collect defensive backs from Clemson. Glad I collect defensive backs from Clemson.
Sherrod Peak, Derek Watt, rookies.
So that means that there should be a huge hit in that case left.
Ted Ginn, orange.
Right here.
In that case left.
$2.99.
Tyler Irvin. I think that's the auto.
Panthers.
And it's Tyler Irvin.
Tyler Boyd,
Ouch.
Tamarick Hemingway, rookies.
They're all numbered at least.
Ouch.
You got that going for you.
Huge. Okay,
Oh, it's
an
not.
auto.
At least. You got that going for you.
I was like, no.
Oh, it's not.
Shining
Right
Stars,
off the
Derek
bat, I
Carr.
was like, no.
Insert
Right
Kitty
off the
Britt,
bat. I'm
purple
just scared they're
bubble.
gonna count that
prism.
Mackenzie Alexander as
to
like the
99.
box hit because I'm just scared they're gonna
Noah
count. He was like, I
Spence
think
for
first round. The box hit because
Was he?
no. Never mind. He was like I think first
Laquan
round.
Treadwell
was definitely their first
Was he?
round pick. Never mind. Laquan Treadwell was definitely their first round pick.
Ricardo Lewis, rookies.
Alright, I guess they're just all backwards now.
Jaguar by Tail.
Alright, I guess
Base.
they're just all backwards. Base. Jacoby Brissett. I wish I would have got this like 2 weeks earlier. Jacoby Brissett.
Boomer Esiason, orange,
He
$2.99 for
didn't
the
play
Bengals.
that spectacularly in that.
Well, that one game.
Austin Hooper, Darren Lee, rookies.
Yeah. In that.
Well, that one game. And then he had hope.
Yeah.
Alright, well. I'm just gonna open all these up. Just block them in. Alright, well. I'm just gonna open all these up. Just block them in.
Rookie introduction, Paxton Lynch
Yeah.
for the Broncos.
You know, the autos
Purple
Yeah.
bubble, Chris Moore to 99 for the Ravens. Rookie. And Will Fuller, Daniel
There are double
Braverman
autos in there,
base.
too.
Rookie.
Dual autos?
There are double
Yeah,
autos.
there's dual autos. Dual autos?
Maybe we'll get an extra
Yeah,
autograph.
there's dual autos.
Who knows? Maybe we'll get an extra autograph. Who knows? Who knows?
Kevin Dodd, Purple Bubble. Rookie auto for the Titans. /99. For the Titans. Titans, Brad. Seth DeVale, Leonard Floyd, rookie base. Decoys. Seth DeVale, Purple Bubble. Rookie auto for the Browns.
Purple Mojo, whatever you want to call
The
that.
Brownies.
Purple Mojo, Joey Bosa, call that rookie.
What
See if I
noise?
can-
I'm not even sure what noise you heard. Deshaun Jackson, Orange, $2.99, Redskins. Devin Fuller,
Jonathan
Derrick
Stewart out of
Henry, base
149.
rookie.
Jonathan Stewart out of 149. Rookies. And rookies. Bases. Another Frank Gore orange. Bases. And Derrick Henry. Frank Gore orange.
Stephon Diggs, Purple Bubble, 99, Vikings. Paul Perkins, Malcolm Mitchell, rookie.
Dak Prescott.
Well, it's still pretty big.
And Jared Goff.
Rookies?
It's still pretty
Orange rookie.
I really wish they'd play Goff. Or I don't know why they haven't. I really wish
John
they'd play
Stallworth,
Goff.
Draft
I don't know why
Gems,
they haven't.
insert.
Well, like, I don't even. I forgot the coach's name. Or he's
DeMarco Murray,
I
Blue
don't blame the
Prism,
quarterback. His name. Or he's like.
Except he threw the game
I
away.
don't blame the
199,
quarterback.
Titans. Keenan Reynolds,
Except he
Alex
threw the game
Collins,
away,
base rookie.
literally.
Said
Delaney
you'd
walked
trade the
away.
receivers before he traded. Said
Delaney
you'd
walked
trade
away.
the receivers before he traded.
Richard Sherman,
Jeff
Prism,
Fisher's not the
149.
best coach, so
Yeah, you have the number one
Seahawks.
overall pick quarterback, and you would refuse to play him. Yeah, you have the number one overall pick quarterback, and you would refuse to play him.
Brandon
Darius
Allen,
Slay,
rookie. Jordan
red.
Payton, rookie.
He's had a pretty good year. Red. Had a 75. Had a pretty good year.
Illuminations, Russell Wilson. There's my boy. Mr. Farrow Cooper, Purple Bubble. Prizm Refractor /99. Kenny Clark, Leonte Carew, rookies.
Ryan Butler.
You know who's gonna be done with the Niners? Colin Kaepernick.
Green checkerboard.
I don't really see a
Brent
team
Celek.
picking him up. Maybe the Browns.
18/49.
I don't really see a team picking
Eagles.
him up. Maybe he has not looked good at all. After this year,
Dan
He has not
Vitale,
looked good at
Noah
all.
Spence. Rookie
Well, that's
base.
that.